Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I will make a quick video on riding on a single lane highway, since I am already on a highway. It was just a spontaneous thought that occurred. Since you are on a smaller vehicle, it is important for your safety to maintain the right lane position, especially on a single lane highway like this, and make sure you are visible to oncoming traffic. There are certain key things which you should keep in mind. One, the current lane position you are in. So let's take that there are 3 positions on a lane, and currently I am on position 1 and the middle part is position 2 and this is the position 3. So if I am in position 1 and there are, say, 3 cars behind me, the third car will probably not be able to see me because the driver is positioned in this position of the lane. But I am saying that in respective position to a car driver's seat. So if I am here, he will probably not see me if there is a pickup truck or something bigger coming behind me. So you see these dotted yellow lines, it means that people can pass. So if he decides that there are only 2 cars in front of him and tries to pass them or overtake them, then he will be surprised to find me here when he kind of comes close to merging to this lane. So he might end up cutting me off, or if there is an oncoming car or a truck, it might be a huge problem. You can never anticipate what might happen in that scenario. So it's on the driver to constantly watch the rear view mirror and decide the ideal lane position to be in at that particular moment. If I am in position 3 like this, the cars behind me will be able to spot me easily. And the next one is, if I am in this position and there is a few cars in the oncoming lane, what do you expect? It is just the exact opposite of what I explained with being in lane position 1 when there are cars behind you. If you are in lane position 3 and there are a few cars in the oncoming lane, maybe the 4th or 5th car in that lane, or maybe consider even the 3rd car, if they are following very closely, they will not be able to see you. And if these dotted lines happen to actually come up at the same exact moment, that car might even try to pass the car ahead of him because they can't really see you in this specific position. So it is important for you as a motorcycle rider to present yourself to oncoming traffic as well. Now, this might sound like a lot to decide your position, but once you start adapting these and following these kind of self structured rules for yourself, then it will become like a muscle memory. When you see oncoming cars, you will decide the appropriate position without even realizing you actually did it. See, now this car was alone. Let me see if I can actually get myself into a position where oncoming cars can't see me. Okay. This is a single truck. Also, make sure you don't follow a car in very close proximity. Just to explain what I mean, if I follow this car in this position, like so close in lane position 1, an oncoming car will not be able to see me. See how he has completely blocked me, and I can't see further at all. This was a risky move that I did, but I just wanted to show you what I mean. Okay, so now there are 2 cars coming. So if the car in the front was bigger, like if it was a truck or something, the car behind him wouldn't be able to spot me in this lane position number 3. So for him to spot me easily, I should either be in lane position 2 or lane position 1. Also, in a curve like this, it is safer to be in lane position 3 because I can see further ahead in the curve. There might be something unexpected that has happened there, like a tree might have fallen down or anything might have happened, but it will be easier to either stop or swerve around it in blind curves like this if you are in the right position. See, this is another blind curve. So I came to lane position 1. So from here I can see farther ahead of this curve. But if I am in lane position 3, I cannot see as far ahead as possible in such blind curves. So you need to keep that in mind as well. I think I covered the points that I wanted to mention. That was just a quick video, I know, but I thought it's good to mention that. So talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.